Okay, so I did decide to return the Away suitcase, and they were very concerned. They apologized a lot and then said, we want to know, what did you not like about it? What can we do to make it better? We're going to hand it over to the design team. And I kind of told them everything and sent them a couple of videos and pictures about what it didn't fit. So let's pack it up. So as you know, I've been on the hunt for the perfect new carry-on bag for myself ever since mine kind of got a little broken in South Africa. It's not broken yet, but give it another trip and the zipper's gonna give. So I did do my Away unboxing video. Had really high hopes for it, but it did not work out, unfortunately. It met everything on my checklist except for one item, which was that it wasn't deep enough. It couldn't even fit a shoe. So check that video out if you were wondering why. I'll link it right here. And so in that video, I said I really wanted to try out the Beis carry-on luggage, and that's what I got. So let's check it out. No. Okay, here it is. I got her a couple days ago. Didn't open it until last night, so here she is. She's open. So I got this actually from Nordstrom instead of the Beis website, because the Beis website right now is super out of stock and they weren't going to have items available before my next trip. So I went ahead and ordered it from Nordstrom. I hope that means, since they're one of their retailers, that I can still get the limited lifetime warranty. So cross my fingers that I don't even need it, but I do travel a lot. So anyway, it was $198 with tax. I think it was $208. So it was a lot cheaper than the Away bag. The Away bag I think was $245. Already I like this baby better with price point. The number one things I wanted in a suitcase were expandable, which this one is. The side totally opens up. You know, if you want to shop on a trip or you just want to be lazy packing on the way back, you need to be able to expand it. It's absolutely ridiculous. The Away one did expand, but the other ones didn't. I wanted to return it for another one. No other suitcase in their family expanded. So I said, forget it, let me find another company. I did want another hard shell. I've never had a problem with hard shell. It does scuff a little bit, but a magic eraser can help. I like it better than a soft shell. I did want one with a warranty, which, like I said, this one has one. They might be a little bit stricter with it than Away, but hopefully everything will be fine. I did, you know, this handle is great, and it's actually padded right here. So when you're running around an airport and everything with it, it seems like it's going to be extremely comfortable. So that's nice. And it's also really easy to pick up here. Kind of just stretches with your hand a little bit, which the Away luggage, it was very uncomfortable and wouldn't even lift up like that. So, and another little cool feature of this bag is that you can add another bag to it with this little guy. So you can actually take a bag and put it on like this, and it can just go on with your luggage. So don't know if I'll actually use that feature, but I do like it. Another feature that I don't use very often but probably should is it does have TSA approved locks. You can set your code and lock it, and TSA will have a master key to be able to get into it, but random strangers can't to steal your stuff. So let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, another really cool thing that I didn't even know, and this is probably better with a checked bag from Beis versus a carry-on, but it has this like indicator light where if it's over 50 pounds, it's going to light up. So it'll let you know that you're overweight without needing to bring a luggage scale or without having a surprise at the airport. So I highly doubt I'll ever pack 50 pounds worth of stuff in here, but that is a really, really awesome feature for if I ever decide to get the larger bag with Beis. Absolutely amazing. And all of my friends need it because they are crazy overpackers. And it makes me never want to travel with them. I do want to travel with them because I love them, but they're overpackers. So I need to make some other packing videos. But anyway, let's open it up. My number 4 thing on my checklist was compression on both sides. So many times I go to stores and there's a zipper on this side, but this side is completely empty. And it might have like a couple little crosses here, but it's not gonna hold in all your stuff. I wanna be able to open it up and not think that things are gonna spill everywhere. Suitcase organization is key. So I love this. This is so nice. This is a big zipper compartment here where it opens up and you can put your stuff in it, obviously, but it has 2 nice little pockets. One is just like the typical fabric that everything else is lined with, and this one I believe is actually waterproof, so it's really nice. Like when I go to Mexico soon, I can just put my wet bathing suit right in here and it's not a big deal. And then speaking of which, they do have laundry bags that come with it too. This is a larger one called, it says dirt bag. That's actually really funny. And then this one that says not basic, like play on words, not basic. So those are really cool. I love any type of organization that you could possibly have with luggage. That is honestly a bonus on my checklist for sure. I am the most organized packer. Like I'm kind of a freak about all of that. So now we'll go on to the other side. It does have these compression straps. Can't do when it's not in front of me, which is nice. And then it does have this compression kind of sleeve here that you can push everything down. The away bag had very similar features with this. However, this one, it's removable as it should be. It just snaps like this. But this one has a cool little zipper to put whatever you want in here. And I didn't realize this till today, it has another one on the other side. Like, okay, Beis, thanks a lot for that. I need to take the shoe test. Hold on. So in my last video, as you guys saw, the away bag had a pocket on the outside, which was a really cool feature, but because it took up some depth from the suitcase, it was like 9 inches, not expanded, it took about 2 or 3 inches off with that pocket, as you saw in that video. So when you wanted to actually pack it, it only had 3 inches that you could pack things. So I couldn't pack much at all. To put a packing cube in there, to put a shoe in there. I mean, I don't really travel with hiking shoes or anything like that, but if I wanted to, that would have been horrible. That was the only design flaw. Other than that, I loved it. So let's do a shoe test. I'm gonna use the same shoe as I used in the away video, which is Brian's golf shoe, which is sitting right in front of me for some reason. This man has big feet, guys. Like, this is size 13. And this isn't even his biggest shoe. Honestly, he's like a shoe freak, and he has some like really ugly shoes that are much higher and taller. But anyway, we're gonna use this one. So we're gonna see if it's deep enough to fit in here. And it is, it's good. It totally goes in. It doesn't go over the side. I would lay it like this anyway. Of course, pack stuff in the shoes. More tips like that to come. So that is really good. It kind of goes with the grooves of the suitcase. And of all 5 things on my checklist, it is expandable. It is a hard shell. It has a warranty. It has compression on both sides. It is deep enough to fit a shoe. And bonus, it has all this fun organization. So again, this is the base carry-on. It is 22 inches high, I believe, including the wheels. This is the gray one, which is their newest line they came out with, I believe, a couple months ago. They do have it in black and beige as well. You know, gray isn't exactly something that's super in my color palette, but A, it was the only one available, and B, they only make those colors anyway. I usually like something a little bit brighter, but being that it's a carry-on, it's usually always by my side anyway, so it's not like I have to really find it on a luggage carousel. I'm not going to compare these two because you've seen this one in a couple videos already by now, but you know, this was the color I liked with my other one. So yeah, this definitely compares. I'm definitely going to keep it and travel with it. She's gonna go with me to Mexico in a couple of weeks. She's gonna go to Nicaragua. She's gonna go to Cape Verde. She'll go Morocco. We're gonna have fun. And I think I kind of want to put some stickers on it. I'm kind of a sticker girl, and I like something that's, you know, uniquely mine. And that's probably not the base aesthetic, but it's still a chic bag, but I want to make it my own. So I might do that. What do you guys think? Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for coming on my luggage journey with me. I feel really dramatic saying that because it only ended up being 2 videos, but thank goodness it ended up being only 2 videos because I didn't want to return this one and then go get another one. So I'm very pleased that the luggage journey is over, and now I can move on to showing you guys actually how to pack. I'm an expert packer. Everyone that travels for me always wants me to pack for them, or they don't even ask, and I just get frustrated watching them pack, and then I end up packing for them because I'm like, oh my God, just let me do it. So I'm gonna teach you so you can do it on your own. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments or compliments, go ahead and put them in the comments. I would love to hear them, or read them, I guess. And please subscribe to our videos. I'm trying to make a ton of videos to help you guys travel more, travel cheaply, travel efficiently, and of course bring you on our trips along the way. So we will see you next time. Thanks so much.